Do you struggle to stay consistent? Does every new goal feel like a mountain you can't climb? Well, in just 20 days, you can build unstoppable consistency. Let me show you how, step by step. Consistency isn't about forcing yourself, it's about finding a why so strong that nothing can shake you. For the first 5 days, ask yourself, why do I want this? How will my life change if I stay consistent? Write it down, read it every morning, feel it. Your why is the fire that fuels your journey. Make your why visible, let it remind you every day why this is worth it. Now stop aiming for perfection, instead aim for progress. Break your goal into tiniest steps. If you want to exercise, don't start with an hour, start with 5 minutes. Yes, just 5 minutes. Success is about showing up, not showing off. Why does it feel so hard to stay consistent? Because we make it hard. Let's flip the game. Simplify your environment. Want to read more? Keep the book on your pillow. Want to drink more water? Place a bottle on your desk. Make it so easy that it's impossible to say no. Success is not about working harder, it's about working smarter. You have made it halfway and now it's time to celebrate. Every single step deserves a reward. Finish your workout? Treat yourself to a movie night. Stayed on track with your goals? Write a victory note. Celebrating builds motivation, and motivation fuels consistency. Celebrate the small wins because they pave the way to the big ones. In just 20 days, you have transformed your mindset and habits. You have built a system that makes consistency effortless. Remember, consistency isn't about perfection, it's about showing up no matter what. Now it's your turn. Start today. Take it one day at a time. In 20 days, you won't just be consistent, you will be unstoppable. Let's do this together. Hit that subscribe button and let's keep growing one powerful step at a time. Thank you.